Assalamualaikum. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. Welcome to my channel, Learning with Benisita. Well, today I have brought a topic for you, that is adjectives. We'll discuss its degrees and we will discuss its order, and then we discuss rules, how we can use adjectives in different situations. So let's start our video. But before proceeding, I request you to subscribe my channel and share my videos with your friends. Adjectives. First of all, we must know what is an adjective. Adjectives are basically descriptive words. It's a part of the speech that is used to qualify a noun, that is used to modify a noun. What is meant by modification? Modification means to add some meanings. Look at the examples. He is a tall man. Now, tall is an adjective which is used for he. So, it also qualifies a pronoun. Second example, an elephant is a heavy animal. You see, I have highlighted adjectives and noun or pronoun to make it clear to you. So, heavy is an adjective which is used for elephant. So again, another point is that it is also called modifier. So we also call adjective a modifier. Descriptive word and a modifier. Why do we call it modifier? Because it adds some modification to the noun or pronoun. What does it mean? That it adds something more, some more meaning to it. For example, Asma is an intelligent girl. Now here, intelligent is an adjective which modifies girl. So intelligent means that we are adding some meaning to a girl. That Asma is not simply a girl, she's an intelligent girl. So we have add some modification here. Second example, he has a faithful dog. Means he is not only a dog, he's a faithful dog. So faithful is an adjective that is a modifier here, add some meaning to the dog. Now remember one thing, we have two modifiers in parts of speech. Adjectives, which modifies noun and pronoun. It means that adjectives add meaning to noun or pronoun. Second is adverb, which modifies adjectives and verb. So there are two modifiers in English language, that is an adjective and adverb. Look at the example. He is my younger brother. So younger brother here I have highlighted as an adjective. It is a modifier. Younger is an adjective which is a modifier of brother. Now, she is helpful. She is pronoun here and helpful is adjectives. So helpful modifies she. Third example, he speaks English fluently. Here, speaks is a verb and fluently is adverb. So, fluently tells how does he speak. Tea is too hot to drink. Here, too hot. Too is adverb and hot is adjective. So, too adds meaning to hot. Too tells us how much tea is hot. Now here, we must know that if we use, it isn't like the case that we only use one adjective for one noun or one pronoun. No. We can use more than one adjective for a single noun. But how? It has a specific order. Value, opinion. What does it mean? It means that your own point of view. For example, if there is a table and I say, it's a beautiful table. Maybe you say, no, it's not. It's an ugly table. So this is value or opinion. So it's not, you can say, a hard and fast rule for opinion. It's up to the person who is speaking. Then size. Size is what? Big, small, tall, short. So the size of the object. Then age or temperature. So age means new, old, novel, and temperature means hot, cold. So then is shape. Shape, rectangular, circular, triangle. What kind of shape that object has. Then color. Color, brown, black, white, all these colors, they include in color. Origin. Now origin means original, from where it belongs to, like it's a Chinese or Japanese or Pakistani or Indian. Then material. Material means which thing it is made up of. For example, wooden, plastic, glass. Then purpose, for which purpose we use it. You see that if there is a table, one table can be used for writing and one table can be used for dining, and there is another table that is computer table. It is also a purpose we use to put computer on it. So purpose means for which purpose, why do you use it, why do you use that object. And mostly purpose includes the adjectives that is made by adding ing to first form. Now I have made it clear to you with an example. I have bought a beautiful, big, new, rectangular, brown, Japanese wooden writing table. I have used all 8 adjectives here. And can you notice one thing? That I have used comma to separate them. So comma is necessary part in orders of adjective, because with comma you separate one adjective from the other. Now next we discuss degrees of adjective. Adjective has 3 degrees. Number 1 is positive. So positive degrees is used to simply tell the quality of a single noun. If a single noun is in front of you and you have to say just about the quality of that single noun, then you will use positive degree. For example, this is a thick book. Thick is positive degree. Thick book. Okay, one book is available and that is thick. So we say this is a thick book. Next is he is wearing a black coat. So we are talking about one person. That's why we are using positive degree. He's wearing a black coat. So simply we are telling the color of the coat. Next is comparative degree. Now comparative degree, now here in this slide, I have told you that how do we make comparative degree. So if the adjective is one syllable, like in the previous example, we talk about thick book. Thick. Thick is an adjective that has one syllable. So if adjective has one syllable, then we add er in comparative degree. For example, look at the example. The blue box is lighter than the red one. So lighter, light. Light means low weight. Light is a single syllable adjective. That's why we have added er to it when we compare the two boxes. Number 2, if there is more than one syllable, maybe 2, 3, 4, 5, more than one syllable, then we use more when we use comparative degree. For example, here it is written, she is more beautiful than her younger sister. So here we are comparing beauty of two ladies. So one is more beautiful than the other. that's why we have used comparative degree. But why do we use more? Because beautiful has 3 syllables. Beautiful. Number 3. If the adjective ends in Y, then we do not write Y. We omit Y and then we add IER. So Y is changed into I and ER is added. Why do we do so? Why do we not consider it 2 syllable? Because Y is not considered a separate syllable. For example, boys are naughtier than girls. Naughty is positive adjective and naughtier, IER. Y is omitted here and then we add IER. Then girls. Third degree is superlative degree. As the name suggests, superb, superb. So how do we use it and how do we make it? If the word ends in single syllable, EST is added. Like ER is added in comparative degree, EST is added in superlative degree. So look at the example. He is the tallest boy in the class. It means that his height is unparalleled in the class. So when something is unparalleled, unmatched in the community, then the superlative degree is used. Now here, having noticed one thing that I have used the. So as I told you in the video of article that we use the with third degree. Second example, if there is more than one syllable in adjective, then we use most instead of est. For example, she is the most beautiful lady in her family. So means that her beauty is unmatched, uncomparable, unparalleled. That's why we use third degree here. When the adjective ends in Y, again we omit Y and IEST is added. For example, rose is the loveliest flower. Loveliest flower in all. Lovely is super degree. Lovelier is comparative and loveliest is superlative. You have understood the making of all 3 degrees. Now we learn the rules of using it. How do we use it? So there are 5 basic rules. Number 1, positive degree is used in simile. So whenever we use simile, a figure of speech, we always use positive degree. For example, as slow as tortoise. He is as slow as tortoise. Second is as faithful as dog. My friend is as faithful as dog. So when we use simile, we always use positive degree, though it is also used to compare the qualities, but still we use positive degree. Second rule is that comparative degree is used between 2 nouns and pronouns followed by them. So when we compare the quality, same quality of 2 nouns or 2 pronouns, then we use comparative degree. For example, she sings better than I do. Second example, he is fatter than her. Now compare these 2 examples. Number 1 thing is then is used. So whenever comparative degree is used, we use then. Number 2 point is that in the first example, we write then I do. And in the second one, we write then her. Why? Because in the first example, we are comparing actions. We are comparing actions. So when actions are compared, then we use subjective pronoun after then. And in the second one, we are comparing the same quality of both. So that's why we have used objective form. Number 3 rule is when superlative degree is used to highlight the noun or pronoun in the community, the whole community. When we consider them the best one. For example, he is the best player in our team. Means that nobody can be compared with him. He is the best one. Rule number 4. When two adjectives are compared, when two adjectives are connected with and there is no comparison between adjectives, comparison is between noun and pronoun, then we use comparative degree and same degree is used. For example, they are wiser and humbler than us. So two adjectives are here, wiser and humbler, and these two adjectives are connected with and they and us. Two persons are also compared. So same degree and are used in this sentence. Same degree is used in this sentence. Next is when there is adjective, when there is comparison between adjectives, not between noun and pronoun, only adjectives. Then we use more with first degree. How? See, he is more noble than wise. Here, we are comparing his nobility and his wisdom, not he with another person. So when there is comparison between two adjectives of the same person, two qualities of a same person, then we use more instead of comparative degree of those adjectives. So these are 5 rules for using the adjective in the proper place. I hope students you understand it. My next video will be about the use of some and any, and I request you again to subscribe my channel, like my videos and share my videos with your friends. Thank you for watching. Take care. Thank you for watching. Take care and Allah Hafiz.